Jeff Ferrous on How to Homestead. I'm going to do a quick measurement using this laser tape measure. Check it out. Thanks for tuning in, Jeff Ferrous on How to Homestead. I'm going to measure the square footage of the floor in this little patio area that I have, and I'm going to use this device. And by the way, thanks Sigmund. So I want to measure what the square footage is of this little room here that I've got. Don't worry about the little stains. That's just oil and stuff. But I want to measure the square footage here, and I am going to use this Sigmund tape measure. So what we got it set for is there, and I got square foot because we're just going to do it by square foot. So we're going to do the floor first. So all I'm going to do is put it up against this and start my measurement. And the reason why I chose there is get the backlight back on. See how the measurement on the left hand side is on the back side of the so when I look at where my laser is down there, and I'm going to press the center, press that center that says measure. So that wall there is 7 feet and 1 inch and 7/8. And then we're going to come over here, we're going to do the exact same thing. Just going to hold it up against there. Press that. And that wall, 8 feet 6 inches and also 7/8. So my total square footage is 61 feet and 0.35 square foot. 61.35 square feet. So basically a third of a foot closer to 62. So 61 and a third is my square footage. That's how simple this is, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you on this video. I like this thing. I want to use that more often. That's simple, guys. Oh my gosh. And it told me what it was. 61.35 feet. Is this wonderful or what? Now I could have changed that to metric or anything else, and it would have been great. Same measurements. If I change it to square foot metric, there's my numbers there. And all I'm doing is I'm holding this down. The U is units. You hold it down and it changes. See, there's meters. See how it changes around? See, inches, 85.9 inches. That's the one that I did it off of. I love this thing. Got to get one. Check it out on YouTube, Arizona How to Homestead. See you. Bye. Have fun.